Hello, what's going on and what does it mean for you? Well, what's going on is layoffs are happening. Okay. I've been talking about it for a while now. Rates are up, the economy is slowing down. We see what's going on with some of the earnings per share on some of the corporation. Jobs are going to be lost. You want me to show you how? Look what's going on in November. Google, 10,000 layoff possible. Who's hiring? Excellent. Expanding at Little Shoot for 200 new jobs. November 23rd, United Furniture terminated all of its employees, 2,500. HP expecting 4 to 6,000 layoffs globally. Turk, Rubicon, Fair. We have some Warren, Ohio is hiring. Big deal. Twitter, more layoffs possible. Neuro, look on the left versus the right. Carnava, 1,500. They're selling cars, as you know. Roku, 200. Cisco System, 4,000. That's a whole tech bubble happening as we speak. Look what's going on with Thermo Fisher. No layoffs. Thank God I got a couple of students working there. All right. So you got a bunch of things happening here and nothing is happening on the right. Look at this. Software, 500. 10,000. Amazon. Here again, November 11th. And we go November 10th. Look at all the layoffs. And here we go. Here we go. Look at all the layoffs on the left and the addition on the right. It's not the same thing. So we are losing. We are seeing layoff. We're seeing a situation developing here. And I need to tell you that this is not going to happen, right? This rates hike is not actually happening, as we've seen. The economy is slowing down. You haven't heard the pain yet. The question is going to be, what is the Fed going to do when the pain comes in? Are they going to be doing a pivot, or they're going to be true to themselves and say, no, we have to keep on doing it? Now, believe it or not, as people lose their jobs, there'll be less inkling to ask for raises, which will tamper down the inflation. But that's exactly what they want. Look at this, October, 4,000 on Phillips. Look at this, it goes on. And you know what the amount is for the entire month of November? We are tallying about 45,000 an estimate for November announced. That's a lot.